Hi, welcome to AIS Business Corp. I'm Masubati, CEO of AIS Business Corp. We are SAP's Silver Partner. We are leading partner in South India. AIS is a 12 years old company. AIS incorporated in 2013 and we became a SAP partner in 2014. We expanding our company into multiple other countries: US, Europe, Middle East, APJ region, and India. We are not only doing SAP services, we are doing AI, analyticals, cloud solutions, web portal developments, mobile app developments, and IT staffing solutions. In the competitive world of ERP, why choose AIS? AIS has a dedicated support center which provides post-implementation supports to customers. Our experienced consultants who are expertise in various business domains helps the customers to take their implementation experience from the consultants. Our 12 years of implementation experience brings lot of value additions to the customers. Thanks for watching this video. Optimize, automate, and scale with us.